Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Kaya, and in today's video we will be looking at the new iOS 14 update. I will be showing you guys a little tutorial on how to get that cool new aesthetic bougie, I guess, screen everybody is doing with their home screen. So with all the widgets and customizing your apps. And I will also be showing you guys how to get the music widget if you want to use Spotify instead of using Apple Music for your widget. So that is all. This video is going to be a lot, but without any more talking, let's get into this video. So the first few apps you are going to need to use for this tutorial are right here, and I'll show you what they are. So these apps are all free that you can download in the App Store, and they are pretty well to work with, pretty easy. I'll show you how to work with each app in this tutorial, but these are the apps you're going to need. So this is what my home screen used to look like, and this is what my home screen looks like now after this whole process. So it did take a while for me to do. It took me maybe, I did take a lot of breaks, but if I didn't take any breaks, it would probably take me 40 minutes to around an hour. The only reason why I took breaks was because I had to screen record everything for this video, and then that all happened, so a lot of unscreen recording and stuff. But if you don't screen record and you just do it yourself, you can easily get this done in 40 minutes to an hour. All the photos I used in this video as wallpapers for the icons and for the widgets, all that stuff, are all downloaded from Pinterest. I find finding pictures on there are the best, just easy search, and I just love that app. I don't know why, just something about it just makes me calm, and I can literally I can literally go on there for hours and just scroll and save to boards and stuff. It's honestly a good thing. So also, while you're on Pinterest, if you'd like to check out my account, it is right here, and it will also be down below in the description with all my other socials. You can go check those out. So now let's actually get into this video. There's a fucking bee in my ear. So now I'm going to show you guys how to get the app to look different than regular with a new picture instead of how it usually looks. So you're going to go to shortcuts and do a new shortcut. And in the search bar, you're going to search open app. And you're going to pick the first one that should pop up. Hopefully it's the first one. After that, you're going to search the app that you want to customize, and I'm just going to do TikTok for this example, and that is how you get the shortcut. Now you got to put it on your home screen. So you're going to press the three dots in the right corner, and for the Siri shortcut, you're going to just write open whatever app you pick, so TikTok, Snap, whatever. Now you press add to home screen, and this is where you're going to get your custom font if you would like to. So how to get your custom font is by going to this website called Cool Text Fonts, and the link is lingojam.com. So you're just gonna type in whatever the app is. So here I'm typing in TikTok, and then I'm just gonna pick the font I usually use for all my apps. This is my favorite font, but this website has such a wide selection of fonts. They're so cool. So I totally suggest here to make your whole phone different, even by the font. So after you pick your font, you're just gonna copy and paste it and go back to shortcuts. Once you're back at shortcuts, you're just gonna paste it in there. And now you gotta pick your image. So you're gonna press and choose a photo. You can pick any photo. Here I'm just going to pick this cool little beige whitish mirror picture as the picture, and then that is it. Now you just gotta press done, and it goes straight to your phone. So now it's right here on my screen, and now I'm just going to go do the rest with all the other apps I want on my main screen. So now I'm done with all the icons on both screens. I'm now going to work my way over to the first page on my phone and start taking out the regular app so I can move in the new apps I just made. So I'm going to edit the screen and just remove all of these apps to my library. So just make sure you don't delete them. You can obviously just download them again, but yeah. So I'm just going to remove all these apps to my library. So now I'm done moving the old apps to my library. I'm going to move these new ones to the main page of my phone. So now I'm finished with moving all the apps to the main page. I'm going to add my widget. So now this is where you use app number 1. What you're going to want to do is hold down an app to press the plus button and find Widgetsmith. Once you do, you're going to want to pick the size you want. I picked this medium one, and that is it. But I obviously didn't like this color, so what you can do to edit that is tap the widget and it brings you to the app. So here I'm just changing the color and I made it to this a little darker yellow than it was before, and now I'm just changing the font, finding the one I like, and here I found the one I like. And now to save it and set it on your phone, you're just going to press set widget and it should automatically change to this new one you edited, just like that. So now I am going to show you how to do the smaller photo widgets. So you're going to want to go to Widgetsmith and import your photos. And now this is how you import photos. So you're going to press new widget or make a new widget, and you're going to scroll down to custom. Once you get to custom, there should be photo options, and you're going to pick photo, or you can do album, whatever you want. I just did the singular photo, and this is the photo that I picked. So then you're going to name it so it's easier to find in the list, and after you have named it, you're going to save it, and now it's in the list. So you're going to go back to your home screen and add the widget. So hold down on the screen, press the plus button, and scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith or search it up. Now here you can pick whatever size you want. I'm doing the small photos, so sometimes it won't come out as the picture you want because it's not the first one you made, but how to change it is you tap on it and you change it in the list, just like that. So now I'm going to do the rest off screen, and I'll be back when the whole phone of widgets is done. So now this side is finished with all the widgets and I love it. Now we're going to move on to the next one where we'll be adding the Spotify widget. So what you're going to want to do is go to Spotify first and start playing a song. This step is not mandatory, but it is recommended so you can see that it does work, because the widget only shows songs you're listening to or have been listening to in the past 5-10 minutes. So after you have your song playing, you're gonna go to this app, so it starts in, freshes it in. Then you're gonna wanna add it to the screen and do the same step, hold down, press the plus button, and scroll all the way down till you find Tune It Fam. Then you're gonna pick the Spotify one, because that's what we're using, and add it to your screen. And there it is. I love how this widget works. It honestly makes it so much cooler. I wish Apple just automatically had Spotify with it and you don't have to download an app, but it's okay. Now I'm just going to fix the screen and edit it to the way I would like. You don't have to do this exact way, but this is just one of my favorite ways to edit my screen with the widgets. So now I'm going to fix the apps off screen that aren't edited. So now I am done with all the apps and done with the whole phone, and here is the finished product. And as you can see on this screen, I have done all the apps as well. that is all for today's video. Making this video was honestly so fun, and I honestly love how my phone turned out, and I hope you guys love how your phone turns out after following the steps of this video. It was really fun to make, and I really love what Apple has done with the new update. This is probably one of their biggest ones yet. Like, it literally just expanded from not being able to do anything and then just this, because you also have your widgets, but then you have now Siri doesn't take up the whole phone. You can watch a movie or a video while you're doing something else on a different app. You can now put your FaceTime call on the side of the phone while going on a different app, and all that stuff is just so cool, and just so many more things. I'm not sure of everything, but just so many things in this update, and I really love this iOS 14 update, and I hope you guys do too. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you stayed this long into the video, comment down what your iPhone homepage is. Is it minimalist? Is it indie? Is it grunge? Like, what is it? It's just cool to know what everyone likes and all that stuff. And yeah, that is all for this video. Make sure to like and share and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more of my content. And if you'd like to be informed when I post my next video, hit the bell as well so YouTube can notify you when I post my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!